Brainwaves has consistently come out with excellent audio devices, be it the S0 in-ear monitors or the Blue 200 wireless earphones. This brand has good presence worldwide and is slowly building up its brand with the audio enthusiasts in India. And guess what? They have all new funky earphones to offer, Brainwaves Jive. These are the in-ear headphones that cost about Rs 1899 in India. Let's find out how they compare with the competition out there in the similar price segment in this detailed review. Out of the box, Jive comes in a hardshell case with a Brainwaves branding. I personally found this pocketable case very useful during travel, and compartments are great to carry the accessories. The earphone itself has an extended earpiece that goes deep into the ear. Apart from the earphones, we get two sets of earbuds in varying sizes, a cable wrap, a shirt clip, and comply foam earbuds which fits perfectly and provide extra comfort to your ears. The overall build quality of all the accessories is excellent. The cables are made out of ordinary rubber, which makes them durable and tangle prone at the same time. The Jive earphones are available in different colors, but we preferred the regular black just for the sake of comparison with the other brands. Above the voice splitter on the left side, we get 3 control buttons: volume up, down, play or pause button, which also can switch the next song on a quick double press. All the buttons are made out of plastic and work very well with all the major smartphone operating systems like Windows Phone, iOS and Android. Going technical, the Brainwaves Jive has 9mm dynamic drivers with frequency ranging from 20Hz to 20kHz, which comes exactly in the audible range. It has 16 ohm impedance rating, 98dB sensitivity and just over a meter long cable. All the specs are at basic level for in-ear headphones and justified for its price segment. The moment you play a song on Jive, you notice two things instantly. One is that Jive earphones offers an unbelievable level of sound clarity, and you can hear each and every element of the audio track clearly. And the other thing that these earphones lack bass punch, and thereby any excitement for the ones who seek only high bass. These earphones are really low on bass, and you have to actually go into the equalizer setting and set them accordingly to get the desired sound effect that you get from the other earphones. Only after I set my equalizer to pop, I was able to get the bass punch a little high than it was earlier and could hear the songs as they were originally meant to. As you go through different songs, you notice that Jive is little low on bass, good at high notes, and has an exceptional clarity of sound overall. Treble is just tad too much than we are used to hearing, which doesn't affect much but can sting if you're listening audio at the higher volumes. Overall, you get a good audio experience, but as I said, there is a lack of excitement. Brainwaves Jives has a good overall build quality and comes with necessary accessories which are always better than any competitor can offer. It gives you crisp sound output, something that will be admired by people who listen to the music at calm settings. Even if the lack of the bass out of the box can be a demotivator for many, but if you set your equalizer settings right, you can still manage to squeeze in decent bass effect. If you are looking for the earphones that offers exceptional clarity of sound, then Jive is exactly for you. At the price of Rs 1899, it is a decent performer and a value for money in-ear headphone. Thanks for watching Digital Conqueror. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews.